This wastewater equipment we're shipping to one of our clients from Australia. It's for Ruli factory wastewater treatment. The treatment process starting with a pH adjustment first, with neutralize, influent, ensuring the good biological treatment process condition. This aerobic biological treatment tank. Here has the oxygen and the bacteria that consume organic pollutants, effectively clean the water. This EC Reactor. Electrocoagulation destabilizes remaining contaminants, blending them into easy removal flux. Water comes to the Clarifier tank. This is the PP Material Plate-Lamella. Here the sludge flux to sediment to the dewater system. The clean water, treated water, meet the environmental standards, discharged to the environmental. Another is a water treatment equipment manufacturer. Any solution, please contact with us.